Mark, what's up?
What's up, dude?
What's going on, Mark? And hey, man, I see this. You got this Mustang out here, S550.
Yeah, dude, 2018.
So what's being done to it? Oh,
Well,
nice. I recognize these. These are Corsa. I have Corsa.
Yeah, this is my cousin's car.
Nice, dude.
We did a full rear suspension.
Yeah.
A while back, Gen 5 Whipple,
Okay.
and he
So
came back to get a parachute installed,
Yeah, I see that.
and then get the strange engineering rear brakes. So
Okay,
the-
yeah.
so
Let's
the kit
check
is
that out. It looks pretty nice.
It's pretty cool, bro.
Yeah, it looks like a nice setup there.
The
OEM.
caliper, the one that's right there. Look.
Yeah, the OEM caliper right there. Yeah.
And
See,
the
let's go ahead and. Yeah, it weighs about maybe. Man, this is a good 15 pounds.
Yeah, dude. They're
I want to say like they're maybe like 15,
Yeah.
15 pounds. Yeah.
And this is a 4-piston caliper.
Yeah.
So you got 4
Go ahead and do a
lead
little.
lines that you have to do.
Uh-huh.
It's a process. It's pretty
Yeah.
it's pretty easy to do it. But to mount this, so the OEM caliper goes backwards. So this is going forwards.
Yeah,
right?
that one's
so
going forward.
So the momentum, right, you're going forward, you slow it down, the momentum's stopping it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Pero, so to put the mounting bracket, right, it goes bolted into the dust shield where they go bolted to the dust shield goes bolted to the knuckle.
Okay.
Well, you have to drill and tap it with a 3/8 tap.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's in, I have some pictures of it and I'll post it up on my Facebook.
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
You have somebody-
It's still braided lines.
Yeah.
It's pretty legit, bro.
Nice.
It's pretty cool.
Okay. All right, so that's a big difference from that one compared to this big old.
dude.
And that one I think weighs like about 10 pounds. I just picked it up earlier.
Oh,
It's I want to say it's about, wait, let me see. Yeah, it's about 10 pounds, maybe 10 to 15.
and the caliper?
That's just
like, what, 100 pounds right now?
probably because that thing over there, those things probably weigh like anywhere 15, 20, 10 to 15. That's like 30, close to 30 pounds. And then I'm assuming this is pretty light. It looks very thin.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, definitely. Nice. This is a pretty cool. And he has other mods, right? Suspension and
Uh-huh.
nice. All right. All right. So what's that? Yeah, Mark. Is that a whip?
No, this is a... Yeah, I'm a whippy
Oh, no, not me, bro.
I'm a cowboy. No, this is the cable for the parachute.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
we're connected to the handbrake
Yeah.
underneath. So these rear brakes pretty much eliminated the handbrake
Okay.
because we can't connect the cable.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the cables out and we're gonna use this for the parachute boom.
Okay. So basically, this car is like set up for drag racing.
Yes.
Basically. Okay.
So this thing right here,
Yeah.
this chile,
Uh-huh.
goes in there where I have that fucking L wrench.
Okay.
So then
Yeah, I see that.
When you pull the hand lever up,
Yeah.
let me show you. So when you pull the hand lever,
Uh-huh.
you close it,
Yeah.
and then the parachute pops out.
Parachute pops up. Okay. Cool.
Pretty neat, bro.
That's pretty neat. And then the parachute was installed by you, right?
Yeah, we made the hole and it came out
Put it on there.
pretty nice. bro.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
The
It looks
bottom right here.
pretty OEM.
The company's called TIG
Huh?
Intervention.
Okay.
I think that's what it's called, bro. TIG Intervention. I'm not really sure.
All right, let's see if they're down here. Okay, you can see it right there.
TIG Cooperation.
Nice.
Contamination. Evaluation. So this is the brake cable from the bottom.
Oh, okay.
So I pretty much eliminated all the mechanisms.
All the other stuff.
Yes, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this pretty neat.
Yeah.